wake up tomorrow's morning and you find there is no water in your house. What will you do in that situation? In that situation, either you will call your neighbor for help or you will call a water tank. But what if the water doesn't come after a week? Suppose and imagine what will be. Greetings everyone. Today, myself Neeraj,
Myself, Ritesh.
we are here to awaken you how to use every drop of water as diamond.
We asked you to imagine a situation without water, and we know that many of you were not even able to imagine that situation, and many of you must have imagined a dreadful life without water. But it is the situation of 63% Indians. They are fighting for water and trying to survive. Let's discuss about the reasons and causes of their situation.
The most common problem is groundwater depletion. It is due to over extraction of groundwater, which is for domestic purpose, industrial purpose, and many other purposes. The annual extractable amount of groundwater in Haryana is 8.61 BCM, but the groundwater recharge is 9.41 BCM. But the groundwater we are extracting is 12.48 BCM, while the percentage of groundwater we are extracting is 134.14 percentage.
In Haryana, the groundwater table is at 29.37 meter, while in 2000 it was at 7.87 meter. But why the groundwater has depleted so much? Because we people are extracting very much water and wasting much of that water.
Urbanization increased impervious surfaces on buildings, pavement, which reduced groundwater recharge.
Compaction of soil. Compaction of soil reduces its ability to absorb water. Inadequate recharge. Insufficient natural or artificial recharge of groundwater. Human activities. Industrial and agricultural processes such as mining and fracking can also alter groundwater level. According to the Forbes report, 52% of the Indian wells show a fall in water level. In this list, Punjab stands highest with 84% of the wells showing fall in water level, and in this list, Haryana stands at 7th position with 75% of the wells showing fall in groundwater level. Not fixing leaks, neglecting to repair leaks in pipes, houses, or appliances can lead to continuous water loss. Around 8% of the water is lost through the pipe leaks, which is supplied daily.
Outdated technology. Outdated technology can also waste a huge amount of water, such as flushes. Flushes waste up to 8 gallons of water per use, whereas ROs waste a huge amount of water, such as 3 liters of water is wasted to purify just 1 liter of water. Incorrect installation of devices. Incorrect installation of devices can cause a huge amount of water waste, such as it causes leaks and it reduces the water efficiency of water appliances.
The next reason for water wastage is carelessness. A good amount of water can be wasted by carelessness. Leaving tap running or forgetting to turn off tap while brushing teeth or rinsing dishes can lose up to a good amount of water daily. Long showers. Taking long showers without considering the water uses can waste a huge amount of water daily per house. Washing cars or sidewalks with hoses. Using hoses to wash car and sidewalks without considering the water conservation. Ignoring water meter reading can lead to unawareness of potential leaks or waste of water.
Global warming can increase water wastage in several ways. First, increase in temperature leads to increasing evaporation, which leads to reduction in water availability. Secondly, warmer heater temperature leads to increasing water usage for cooling, irrigation, and other purposes.
Industries are also a major reason for water waste. In industries, excessive water is used in washing or cleaning the equipments or facilities. improper disposal of wastewater. The water which is used for production in industries is polluted and is disposed into the fresh water, which makes the fresh water unfit for the use. Processing and manufacturing. Water intensive productions such as production of paper, production of tiles can also lead to excessive waste of water. It takes 2 to 13 liters of water to produce a single A4 size sheet. In textile industries, for producing a single t-shirt, 2700 liters of water is used, which is enough for a single person to drink for 2.5 years. Industries account for 20% of the water withdrawn worldwide, and this water is used in manufacturing processes and becomes polluted. Water is wasted in irrigation through over irrigation. Applying more water to the crop than the crop requires lead to the wastage of water and also destroys the crop. Lack of soil monitoring. Not monitoring the moisture level of soil can lead to over irrigation.
Poor wastewater management can waste water in several ways, such as inadequate treatment of water resources allows pollutant to enter water resources and make the water unusable. Poor maintenance, failing to clean or repair, filter, or other parts of the appliances can reduce the water efficiency and may increase the waste of water.
Every problem has in it the seed of its own solution. Let's move to the solution of the problems that we have discussed earlier that wastes water. To solve the problem of decrease in groundwater level, we can consider the following solutions. Artificial recharge, inject treated water in aquifers and then replenish the groundwater.
One of the solutions for recharging groundwater level are barrel pits, as barrel pits collect all of the water of a rain at a particular place and help in recharging the ground level. Our school has made two barrel pits, once here and once there. They are of 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter. Our school have maintained it properly. To save water wasted by inefficient appliances, use the following ways. Replace old water appliances with new efficient ones. Use a dual toilet flush converter box. Next is use a smart water meter to track water readings. Install fixes and buckets to reduce the water flow. Next is use energy efficient washing machine and dishwashers.
Water wasted by carelessness can be saved by taking short showers, educating family member and friends about water conservation.
We all know that water is the most precious and useful resource on the earth. And we know very well we cannot live without water for a single day.
Water wasted by global warming can be saved through first, weather forecasting. Improve weather forecasting to reduce water waste and optimize water. Protect and maintain watershed on regular basis to maintain the water cycle and prevent erosion. Water wasted by poor water management can be saved through water auditing. Identify areas of water loss and implement measures to reduce water waste. Wastewater reduction. We should set targets to reduce wastewater each year, such as water withdrawal in 2020 54.07, whereas in 2023 60.61. With this, water discharge has also been increased. In 2020, it was 9.35 to in 2023 14.87. Why it has been increased? It has been increased by our withdrawal and excess wastewater, whereas we should limit these reduction in wastewater. We should install water meter such as we have installed electricity meters to monitor the water usage per day. Poor water waste management. Few examples of it are: this water can easily be recycled, but it is not being recycled. The plastic can be removed out of it and can be laser degraded. Public-private sector partnership. Public sector can collaborate with private sector to increase or develop water management, such as there in public sector there is awareness, cleanliness and hygiene. Water wasted by agriculture can be saved through Drip irrigation. Deliver water directly to roots. Secondly, crop selection. Choose crops according to season and choose crops which are water efficient and conserve water. Rainwater harvesting. Collect rainwater and use it later for drip irrigation. Use water conservation tools like laser guided leveling and use agricultural policies, the policies which supports water conservation.
Water wasted by industry can be saved through various methods, including water conservation training, educate employees on water saving practices. For saving the water which is wasted in industry for cleaning purposes, we should implement water efficient cleaning and technologies. Process optimization. Improve production processes in industries to reduce water usage. Some of the industries where water can be saved are textile mills. Implement water efficient dyeing and washing processes. Paper mills implement water efficient pulping and paper making processes.
At last, we want to say that
No generation have a freehold on this earth and its resources.
all we have is a life tenancy with full repairing lease.
In the words of Lester Brown,
We have not inherited this land from our forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our children's.
think about the water wastage seriously and do something to save it.